Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust seat in Audi A3, full guide. Begin by moving the seat fore and aft so your knees clear the pedals and you can fully depress them. Next, set the seat height so your hips are level with your knees and you have a clear dash view. Tilt the cushion for thigh support. Finish by adjusting the backrest so your shoulders rest comfortably against it for relaxed steering control. Start by sitting naturally and testing lumbar support levels until the lower back curve feels supported without pushing you forward. Slowly recline the backrest until your shoulders rest comfortably and your hands reach the wheel with a slight bend at the elbows. Make micro adjustments and drive a short distance to judge comfort. Always prioritize a neutral spine and even pressure distribution to reduce fatigue on longer trips and maintain good posture while driving. If you're finding this guide useful, please subscribe and hit like so we can keep making helpful car videos. Quick recommendation. I paired this tune-up with comfy socks in the cabin. Socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. After finalizing seat position, set the steering wheel distance so you see the instrument panel clearly, and your wrists rest on the wheel top with arms slightly bent. Reposition mirrors to eliminate blind spots and confirm rear visibility without needing to move your head excessively. If parking in tight spaces, fold mirrors and then return them to driving position. Recheck comfort and controls, reach after every mirror or wheel adjustment for safe, confident driving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.